Izibulali magciwane zingezinye zezinto ezisetshenziswayo ukulwa ne-COVID-19. Umphumela wocwaningo uthinta ukuhlola kwezinye izibulali magciwane ezikhona ukhathaza kakhulu. Ezinye azinalo izinga elifanele le-chemical logologo i-ethanol.
The dangers in using hand sanitizers that are not of the required amounts to serve as virucidal is that they will not do the work as expected, because the viability of a hand sanitizer, in other words, its effectiveness is in the amount of the alcohol that it contains. So the higher the concentration of alcohol, the more efficient it is, because the requirement is that it breaks the virus, the coating around the virus.
Dr. Yusuf uthi kungenzeka ukuthi esinye sezizathu zalokhu ukwenza inzuzo njengoba i-ethanol imbeqolo.
One of the possible reasons why manufacturers will cut corners is that if there are no enough regulation in terms of oversight by the government agencies responsible for checking the standards.
Isikhungo esihlola ubuqotho bemikhiqizo iSouth African Bureau of Standards CT abathengi kufanele bakhathazeke ngezibulali magciwane ezingenalo izinga lamakhemikhali adingekayo.
It is evident that manufacturers may compromise the minimum chemical requirements that are defined in SANS 490 and therefore compromise the effectiveness of the sanitizer in response to COVID-19.